Hi, this is Kevin from Wufoo again. In the first part of our video tutorial, we went over creating a contact form in Wufoo's Form Builder. In part 2, we'll be going over some of the functions available to us in the Form Manager now that we've created our form. Here we can see the name of the form and several buttons available to us to access the form's data and additional settings. If I want to duplicate this form, I can click on the double document icon here. If I want to delete it, I can click on the red X. Now the first thing you'll want to do after creating your form is take a look at it to see how it'll be experienced by your users. You can do this by clicking on the View button. I'm going to open this link in a new tab. And I'm going to view it. Now one of the really nice things about Wufoo is that a lot of functionality is built into your form without any additional programming. When you select a field, it automatically highlights the input to help your users keep track of where they're entering the data. If I try to submit this form without a message, it will automatically validate the information and present the user with the appropriate error messages. When I create a successful submission, Wufoo will present the confirmation message I set up in the form settings. Now, if I go back to the Form Manager in Wufoo, we can see that there's a number next to the name of the form. I'm just going to refresh this. This indicates the number of new entries collected today. If I want to change how this form looks to my users, I can set the theme associated with the form using the drop-down field next to the palette icon. I'm going to set this to an orange theme I created earlier, and then click on the View button. Here we can see the theme has applied the visual settings that I set up earlier to my current form.